Morning student, class 5th, subject science, part 4. We will discuss now here given point, my dear students. Yes, I am your science teacher Rajiv Kumar. Now here we will discuss according to given point of view. See, now here first point is remain part of lesson number 2, the skeletal system. Okay, yes. Yeah, previously I had discussed about given lesson. So, now remain part we will discuss now here. Second, introduction of lesson number 3rd I will start now here. Yes, my dear student, lesson number 3rd, food and health. Okay, see the observe. First of all, remain part we will discuss, my dear student. See all of you, take care. Okay, so first of all, yes, you will see one by one. First, remain part of lesson number 2, skeletal system, remain exercise. Yes, lesson number 2. Do you understand? Have you seen now here? First of all, here you will see check. Now remain part given exercise just for fun. What is the means about here? You will read carefully. Given point, first use wire or hanger or to make a model of the skeleton on a animal like that now given picture. Yes, you will see first of all, yes, as it, and cover the structure with paper or cloth and color. Okay, but in replace of this is very typical if you will use to wire. Okay, all of you the very small kid now according to that. So, see the observe. So, I will not allow to this work, only you will take, okay, you will take the paper, okay, या cardboard, cut the shape and cover with paper and fill the color. Okay, yes, of given picture. According to given picture, this is, I hope this is cock. Okay, yes, do you understand? Cock picture are given is here. So, you will use replace of wire, yes, cardboard. Okay, my dear student, and then cover with the paper, and after paper you will fill paper or cloth, otherwise in replace of cloth is better paper. You will use always paper, white paper, and cover with, yes, first of all you will cut the cardboard same size of according to you, and now cover with paper, white plain paper, and yes, after paper covering you will see the their image, and then fill the color also. Cock. Okay, do you understand cock? Different type, white cock may be, yes, and so and colorful cock will be there. If you do you understand, all student you will do according to this. Next, you will see second picture are here given. Okay, so you please fill the color as it, my dear student. See the observe. Okay, yes, given picture. Next, second point are here. Complete the crossword puzzles with clue provide are here. Have you seen now here? Yes, this is clue. Yes, across, downward. Now here, do you understand? First is the framework of bone that the from the body skeleton. Second, the one case that you will to make your head and face region skull. Third is, yes, bone of the leg, hand and limbs. Have you seen the downward? Yes, do you understand? Yes, here a mineral and the, yes, mineral that the make up your the bone, calcium. You will see the joint in the neck. Yes, have you seen, my dear student? Yes, pivot. And 6, the joint in their elbow hang. Is that clear? Have you seen now, my dear student, given picture already here? Have you seen? Yes, my dear student, I will speak again. Yes, first is skeleton. Okay, second, have you seen? Skull. Third one, have you seen? Yes, hand limb. 4, yes, calcium. Fifth is pivot, and 6 is hang. Okay, Yes, my dear student, please complete the given empty the crossword puzzle. Okay, yes, according to given hint. See the observe, my dear student. Thanks for the yes remain part. Yes, see the observe, my dear student. We will discuss the second point of view. Now, my dear student, this is the introduction of lesson number 3rd, food and health. Now here given picture related for given topic. See the observe, my dear student. Yes, food and health. What is the means about? Yes, have you seen? Yes, food. Do you understand? Yes, if we want to require the energy, so we want to yes require the energy and then need food for our requirement for energy. Okay, my dear student, and health. Without good food, health will possible? No. Yes, you will take the good food, health will be there in a proper way. Okay, see the observe. Now point is here. Yes, my dear student, give the below picture of the some food item cross one of the that are the unhealthy and junk food. Okay, consider. So first of all you will see here. Yes, okay, my dear student, have you seen? Yes, it is not good. Okay, yes, cross. Next, yes, burger, no. Chips, no. Burger, no. Another, pizza, no. Always remember, my dear student. But now, yes, you will see, yes, it is good for health. Which food? Yes, chapati and pulses. And now you will see egg, good. Okay, and fruit. Remember that, my dear student, you will see the given point of view. Here, see the observed. Okay, beta, you will see all of his student the follow the given picture, complete the given task. Here cross one are the unhealthy. Okay, so already 3 picture are here given and another is useful. Okay, yes, so unhealthy are here chips, burger, pizza. Okay, please cross it. And now here see the observe, we will discuss again. Yes, my dear student, read. Now here, health can be defined as a state of complete physical mentally well-being. If you will take the good diet, so that and physically work, then yes, you will be happy. Okay, and will be happy and healthy. So my dear student, for the person to be considered health, both the body and mind should be completely fit. Okay, so how will possible? You will take the good meals, good sleep. Okay, sleep, good exercise, then yes, you will take the good health. To remain health, you require prepare the food. Okay, yes, yourself with your under supervision of your parent. So require yes proper food, proper exercise, proper rest, and proper sitting posture. Okay, yes, so require proper food, exercise, rest, hygiene, and correct posture. When you will sit on the yes, have you seen now here? Okay, yes, on yes, you will see in front of breakfast eating food, so that time properly sit on your yes proper posture, and sleeping position also proper posture, and resting position also, exercise position also, you will take the proper yes position for workout. So my dear student, you have the learn in class 4th that plant and animal are the two main source of food. Do you understand? Yes, so you will take the good vegetables, good food, and yes, another also yes. Okay, so my dear student, remain now here already part also. Yes, we need better food for yes better health, my dear student. You will take the good bath, good exercise. Okay, see the observe already the given food. Yes, now we will discuss here Food group. In this page we will discuss, yes, see the observe, yes my dear student. Food group, you eat a variety of food during the day. Food, you eat content useful, yes, substances. Do you understand what is this? Nutrient. Okay, amount of the food the person must be depend on the age, gender, kind of the work done done and the five nutrient and present in food are carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamin, minerals. Your body need all of these remain health. So my dear student, have you seen now here? First of all, yes, carbohydrate. Okay, my dear student, carbohydrate. Okay, next, have you seen now? Yes, yes, requirement are here. See the observe, glucose. Glucose is the simplest carbohydrate that the absorbed by the body. Essential bread, rice, wheat, sugar, corn and rich source of carbohydrate. Okay my dear student, you will see already given picture. Okay, yes, see the observe. Another is needful fat. Okay, yes, have you seen now here? Fat. Okay, yes, fat give twist the energy. Okay, twist the energy that carbohydrate give. Fat help to keep you warm. Yes, in replace of the carbohydrate we will get from the, yes, fat more energy. Okay, in replace of carbohydrate. Yes, see the observe my dear student. Fat are not a digested as the easily per carbohydrate and extract the fat get the yes, deposited under the skin. Yes, in typical time suffering from the, yes, illness time, that time, yes, storage fat support us surviving. Okay, for our health now surviving that time. Yes, and now here you will see the, yes, excessive fat in your body can make your overweight and can cause obesity. So maybe if the lot of oily, yes, matter you will use, it is unhealthy for us. Okay, so please, and obesity will possible and cause the heart disease and diabetes. Okay, oil, butter, ghee, cream, okay, and nuts are the rich in source of fat. Remember my dear student, yes, already given obesity is a very dangerous for our, yes my dear student. So and may be possible heart disease and diabetes. So oil, butter, ghee, cream or nut are lot of source, है ना, source, rich source of fat. Fat and carbohydrate are called energy giving food. So another, yes, we will get lot of energy from, it's mean that from carbohydrate, okay, and fat. So more energy. Okay, yes my dear, so this we will call, yes, energy giving food. Another word are here, see the name. Okay, yes, now have you seen the given example? Okay my dear student, oil, butter, ghee, okay, and nuts, the already given picture, see the observe. And yes, see the, and the last point here, protein. So my dear student, we will discuss about the given point here next video. Okay, about the protein help your body build new cell and repair worn out the damaged cells. Remember that my dear student, it is very important for us. Okay, given picture, see the observe, yes, very useful. Okay, now here I had discussed carbohydrate, okay, fat and protein. Okay, so next time we will discuss about the protein. See the observe. Thanks to all my dear student, I hope, yes, I will come. See the observe, yes, okay, yes my dear student, yes, you will see the here given picture and observe, yes. So type of already, yes, useful requirement of our body health, yes, and we avoid now according to obesity now here given the cases. Okay, so protect yourself my dear student. Thanks to all. Take care. You will read carefully given instruction, my dear student, in this video. See the observe. Thanks to all.